Hey there, are you struggling with Hisense Roku TV that turns on and off seemingly at will? That can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're ready for a binge watching session. In this guide, I've got some straightforward steps to help you learn how to fix a Hisense Roku TV that turns on and off. So let's dive in. Step 1. Check power supply. The first step in resolving this issue is to ensure your TV is getting a consistent power supply. Check that your TV is securely plugged into a working outlet. Sometimes using a power strip or an old outlet can cause power fluctuations that make your TV turn on or off. If possible, plug your TV directly into the wall and see if the problem persists. If you continue to experience issues, try testing the outlet with another device to rule out that the outlet is the source of the problem. Step 2. Update your TV's firmware. Old software can often lead to performance issues. It's essential to keep your Hisense Roku TV software up to date so that you'd ensure it runs smoothly. To check for updates, go to the settings menu, select System, then choose System Update. Here you can check for install any updates available. Keeping your TV's firmware current can help rectify bugs that might cause random restarts. Step 3. Reset your TV system setting. If the power supply and firmware aren't the issues, resetting your TV system setting may help. Go to the settings menu, navigate to System, and select Advanced System Settings. From there, choose Factory Reset. Be aware that a factory reset will erase your TV settings and apps, so you'll need to set them up again. Make sure to note that your favorite apps and settings beforehand. Factory reset often clears unexplained glitches that can give your TV a fresh start. Step 4. Inspect external devices. Next, take a look at any devices connected to your TV. External gadgets like streaming devices, gaming consoles, or sound systems can sometimes cause conflicts, leading to your TV to turn on or off. Disconnect each device individually and see if the problem is resolved. If the turning on or off issue stops once a specific device is unplugged, that device might be at fault, and you may need to troubleshoot it further. Step 5. Contact Hisense support. If none of the above fixes work, it could be time to reach out to professional help. Contact Hisense customer support for advice tailored to your situation. They may have additional troubleshooting steps or determine if your TV needs a service visit. Have your TV model number ready and details and the issues ready to make the process smoother.